Julian, what would you do if you walked up to an old lady on the street who wanted something done, and she said, "Sorry, I'm not available right now. Come back at 8 p.m." But she's just stood there for the rest of the day smiling.
She's a Shenmue NPC.
It's true.
What would you do?
What would I do? I would say that's her business. She can stand around wherever she wants.
That's very respectful. I'd say, "What the fuck? You're not doing anything."
It would be frustrating, yes. I would go home and I would complain about it.
I would go on 4chan and complain about it.
I say, dox this dumb fuck.
Julian, what would you do if you walked up to an old lady on the street?
Thanks to our Patreon members,
complain about
it's
it.
Firefox
I say, dox
and
this
Worm.
dumb fuck.